कैसा रहा दिन? हाउ वाज योर डे? मजे आ गए? Finally, Bank Nifty woke up from the slumber. If you recall my video, yesterday's trade plan, I had mentioned that Bank Nifty, which was sleeping, has decided to wake up. Nifty obviously made a new all-time high, but was weak. Then high is 23,664, but and it closed a little lower, 0.18% lower than yesterday's close. But the story is not of Nifty today. Story is of Bank Nifty. कितना ऊपर बंद हुआ? It closed here yesterday and today it made a high of, let me plot it again, 1515, 1515 point. Bank Nifty gave 1,500 points move, whatever it is, 15, 16. This was a time to carry Bank Nifty calls overnight. I had some of them and I added more, and some of the people I uh, you know of the group also added. But why Bank Nifty suddenly? But clear. You would recall this box I had drawn. ये मेरे वीडियोस में आपको पिछले किसी वीडियोस में मिल जाएंगे. So Bank Nifty was consolidating in this range. For the first time, Bank Nifty was showing a breakout from this range. See these two tops very close by. But this was the first time Bank Nifty closed above this. My first expectation was that it will hit 50,600. It did that. And 50,700 something I mentioned did that. And then previous all-time high of 51,133 did that. Further up move 51,257 did that. And almost went up to 51,957, which is very, very close to 52,000. That is where the resistance came. So after a massive move, Bank Nifty towards the end retraced a little bit. What about RSI? The RSI that was just about 60, 59 point something something yesterday's close, today is at 64.55. But the Nifty RSI is 61.68. Nifty is no longer strong. It's the Bank Nifty that is strong. What about the intraday charts? Look at the hourly charts. Bank Nifty has hit 80 and above on RSI. Finally. While Nifty on the closing basis is trading below 60, 57.15. Nifty is weaker. Now you got to be understanding that Nifty is decided not to go up. If you saw the Nifty 50 stocks today, what was leading the show? HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, State Bank of India, Kotak Bank, supported ably by some IT stocks, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, Wipro, stuff like that. But most of the other stocks of Nifty 50, including Reliance, were weak. Now we have to see what happens tomorrow. The first sense is that there has been a massive run for Bank Nifty, and tomorrow may be a day of pause or downturn. Downturn is more likely than pause. Where is the level that we should be watching out? The first level we should be watching out is the previous all-time high, 51,133. This is where the market can, for Bank Nifty, can fall to and take support. If not, it would be the super trend, which is 50,957. Also the upper range of this box. that I had drawn, and I had said that Nifty has closed at 50,562.15 and should now make an attempt to fill up this gap. And this is what it did in the first hour itself. And then it took a little bit of breather. And after that breather was done, the up move resumed, and new high, all-time high was hit on Bank Nifty as well, and with lots of conviction. Now the market has gone up quite a lot. Give it some time to cool down a little bit. Cool down. So it's possible that we may either see the market open a little low. Let's see where Gift Nifty is suggesting at this moment. It's suggesting 516, 23,516, which is more or less the same. So it's not the right time to check Gift Nifty. But then eventually chances are that we might open lesser on Bank Nifty. And this is the second level, which is 50,956 or 957 on Bank Nifty for this second entry possibility. Third will be closer to this level for 50,440. 50,000. Let me see if I'm getting it correctly. No, 50,482. 50,482. This is the level where, let's say 50,500 broadly. This is the level where if it comes, there may be a chance of a bounce back. So this is an ideal entry point for longs, 50,500 or so. Maybe a range between 51,333, which is 51,133, and 50,957, this range. So it is either of this range that will be on the radar for tomorrow to enter. Here it is. I'll just make it a little lesser. The range. This is the range. 950 to 130 is broadly the range to enter for longs. But be careful, because if Nifty decides not to support, then Bank Nifty cannot do anything. Bank Nifty may. Today it was an exception, but tomorrow Bank Nifty may just give up. And we can see lower levels also. So for tomorrow, I'm not that optimistic, expecting the down move. With the weakness coming in Nifty, I think we are headed to lower level. The support lies at 23,473, but that may be tested and possibly broken as well. And if so, we may also see 23,409 possible है. जाने को तो नीचे जा सकता है 23,324, but this is more likely level. Let's say 23,400 broadly. So trade wisely, use risk management, position sizing effectively, use proper stop losses, trade with good psychology, make sure that you make the best use of the opportunity and trade with confidence. Green is what we look for. Tomorrow also is Thursday and the Nifty expiry. Let's meet tomorrow. Take care. Bye.